In this video, I'm going to do exercise 3. Fill in the gaps with the most appropriate future forms. Present continuous, will or be going to. Use the verbs in brackets and choose the present continuous where possible. Dialogue 1. Ben, what are you doing after class? George says, well, I'm going to walk home. Well, I'm going to walk home, and when I get home, I'm going to do my homework and cook dinner. And you? Ben says, I'm playing tennis with Monica and Jane at 7:30, but we need another player. Why don't you come? George says, with Monica and Jane. Okay, I'll come. We can play doubles. And Ben says, okay, no problem, but be prepared to lose. I'm going to play my best tennis. Dialogue 2. Tom says, are you going to eat that last hot dog? And Lisa says, no, why? Do you want it? Tom says, yes, please. Lisa, but you're having dinner with your father in an hour. And Tom says, yes, but we're eating in that new fancy restaurant and they serve very little food. Lisa says, okay, I'll heat the hot dog in the microwave for you. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.